Hi Virgo, welcome to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading my next video or whenever I'm going live next for my tarot reading session. Please also don't forget to comment and let me know how this message resonates with you, as well as liking and sharing the video. If this message does not resonate with you, Virgo, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. As this is a collective energy reading, it may or may not resonate with every single Virgo out there. Virgo, you can now follow me on Facebook, and I will leave the link down below in the description box. For your monthly May 2020 reading here, Virgo, I've incorporated Archangel message as well as tarot reading. And the Archangel that came forward to give you message here is Archangel Gabriel. And the first message I've got for you here, Virgo, is creativity. So I do feel like naturally you are a really creative person. Like you have lots of creativity inside of you here. And the message that I've got here is explore your creativity. So I do feel like you might have been scared, or you might have been waiting for that platform or for that one thing that will just help you to showcase your creativity, or just help you, to basically explore your creativity here, either from a hobby or like just something like a business here. So basically like lots of creativity inside yourself here. And Archangel Gabriel is a really best angel to help you on that, because Archangel Gabriel is the archangel for creativity and new ideas. So I do feel like in the month of May 2020 here, you will be getting guidance and help from Archangel Gabriel to explore your creative side here. And I also been feeling that you might have been getting clarity on what you want to do here. So I do feel like in the past month here, or in the past few weeks or few years here, like your mind have been clouded, like you're just unsure, okay, am I supposed to go for what I really love? Am I supposed to just venture on this hobby that I've been doing here, or should I just go for a normal day-to-day job, or so just continue with my business because it's earning me, because it's paying my bill here? So I do feel like you've been going back and forth of that, and you're just unable to make decision here because your mind were clouded. Yeah, basically you're just unsure on what you need to do. And I do feel like in the month of May here, you will get clarity, and that clarity here is basically that to venture, to explore your creative side here. And I'm also seeing there is a possibility of new beginning, lots of creativity. Like basically your creativity is going to increase 1,000-fold here. So you'll be getting lots of new ideas, even through dreams, or like just by browsing the internet, or just by talking to your friends, to your family members here. And then suddenly you will get that aha moment. Okay, what if I do it this what if I do it this way, or what if I do it that way? So you will be getting that sudden energy, that sudden ideas here. And I do feel like that's how Archangel Gabriel works. So when you're getting all of that, what you need to do here is that get yourself a journal and write it down. Write down all these ideas and all these new things that's just popping up into your mind, either through meditation, either like just talking to your friends, or even through dreams here. So I do feel like keep a journal next to you, especially when you're sleeping, and just write down all the dreams, like all these ideas that you've been getting from your dream here. And I do feel like again, once you get all of those ideas, do not rush into it. Take your time, look at things, like what you need to do. Okay, weigh out the option. What you need to do if you want to go into this venture here. Either, for example, if you like singing, so you can start by starting your own YouTube channel. But again, starting on your own YouTube channel, there are a lot of things that you need to pay attention of, like how to make video, how to edit video here. And if you want to make a concert, or just like going into a restaurant, for example, like a stand-up comedy, or just like putting up a small show in a restaurant here. So you need to pay attention on what you need to do here, like which restaurant has the most guests coming up into the restaurant and what are the time here. So you basically need to list down all of these small details once you get into this idea. So basically you will get that ideas, that clarity, that what you need to do here. And once you do that, you are being asked to explore that. You're basically being asked to look at what you really love here and go for that. And also once you go for that, pay attention to the significant details instead of just rushing to that, because most of the time when we just rushing to that, with that adrenaline that we have, the passion might just die after a few months or few weeks, because we are just not seeing any significant result here. And that is not because we don't have the talent, that is because we are rushing into things, so we don't consider some other aspects that we need to consider to make our hobbies or our business successful here. So that's it for you, Virgo, and let's move on into your tarot reading. The first card that I've got here is being represented on what you need to hold on to for the month of May 2020. The next card here is what you need to let go of in the month of 2020. And the last card, the third card here, is being represented on how you need to navigate between those two energies here, Virgo. So the first card I've got here is Ace of Pentacles, which is indicating that a new offer, a new solid offer, a new idea. So I do feel again you need to hold on to this new things that will be coming up towards you. As you can see, there is a hand here just gifting you something. So this is signifying the ideas that you will be getting from the divine here, from the archangels here. And once you get into that, you need to hold on into that, and you need to make a note of that. So make a journal, write it down here. Don't just let it go like that. Even if the idea doesn't make sense for you, if the idea seems bizarre to you, or if the idea, like all in all, like quite big for you, just write it down. It's okay. You can go back to it few months later or few weeks later here, but this is the beginning. So you need to hold on into this guidance that you will be getting, these new ideas, that this new creativity, that this new hobbies or new business endeavor that you will be getting from the divine here. And what you need to let go here is being represented with the Knight of Swords, which is indicating rushing. So you need to avoid just rushing into things. So this is basically an in and out energy, just someone going into that without thinking or without like weighing up the option, and then suddenly if they met with a failure, they will get disheartened and then give up altogether. So you need to avoid this rushing energy here, Virgo. So this is might have been how you've been doing of all of this time, that you just get a new idea and then just rush to it here. And this is not the way you're supposed to do, especially not in the month of May here. In the month of May, you will be getting lots of new ideas here that you can use for as a hobby or as a business venture here. But you need to take your time, you need to study up those ideas first instead of just going at it here. The next card here is being represented on how you need to navigate between these two energy here, is being represented with the Star card, which is indicating that you have wish around you, like you have what it takes to be successful, or like to when you decide to explore your creative side here, when you decide to explore this new thing, this new idea from the divine here, you are bound to be successful. But again, you're not supposed to rush things. You're supposed to wait for that timing here, for that specific divine timing here. That is what this Star card is being represented here, like that time where everything is being aligned for your highest good. And when does it happen here is when you're actually feeling confident within yourself, when you already know what are the risk of going forward, and what are the things that you have done in order to minimize this risk here. So basically you have studied all aspects of this new ideas or this new business venture that you will be going in here, and that is the right time for you to just go for it, and that is the right time for you just to take off for it. And once you do that with this Star card here, this is basically indicating that you will get your wish here. This is also indicating a wish fulfillment here. So again, your business, your new creative side is definitely bound to be successful. You just need to take time and just list down and weigh out all these options and think things through before moving forward with all of this new idea. And you can always call upon Archangel Gabriel to help you with all of this creativity and all of these new ideas here, Virgo. And that's it for your May 2020 reading, and I hope it resonates. If it does, please don't forget to click subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading my next video or whenever I'm going live next for my tarot reading. Also, don't forget to comment below and let me know how this message resonates, and I'll see you in my next video. Be safe, stay blessed, and bye bye.